Today, you're going to learn to cook these souffle pancakes. I'm going to start with 1/3 cup of flour, 3 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 3 eggs, smallest ones you have. We're going to start by putting our dry ingredients in a bowl, including the flour and the baking powder. Then we're going to stir that up and then add our milk and vanilla. And then we're going to crack our 3 eggs in a different bowl and then get any shells out that fall in. And then we're going to use a spoon and take our yolks and then put them back into the other bowl. And then we're going to stir that all up until evenly combined, like so. Then we're going to move that out of the way and start focusing on the egg whites and the sugar. And the goal here is to get as much air into the egg whites as possible. So we're going to take our mixer and use it for about 45 seconds until it has a lot of bubbles, like you see here. And then we're going to drop in about 1/3 of our sugar and then keep mixing. We're going to do that for about another minute. And then we're going to add another tablespoon of sugar and then mix that up for another 45 seconds. And then we're going to add the rest of our sugar and keep mixing for another minute until we have stiff peaks. Stiff peaks is what you see here, where the peaks don't fold back down. Now is a good time to start preheating our pan. And then we're going to take our first mixture and mix it into the meringue. And we're going to mix them together by just folding, because we're trying to keep as much air in the mixture as possible. So be as gentle with it as you can. Mix that until evenly combined, and then pour some oil onto your pan. And then we're going to take dollops of our batter and put it straight onto the pan. And you're going to try to stack it to make the pancakes as thick as possible, like you see here. And just remember, low heat, so it cooks through. Very important. You'll put them for about 3 minutes, and you'll know they're ready to flip when you see the brown at the bottom. Perfect. And then we're going to cook them for another 3 minutes on the other side until there's a golden ring on the bottom. And then we're just going to repeat that process with the rest of our batter. Now remember, low heat this whole time, because otherwise the bottom is going to burn before the inside is even cooked. And then you can top them with butter, syrup, or powdered sugar. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. And if you made it to this point in the video, like, subscribe, watch my other videos, do all that YouTube bullshit. Peace.